State's top concern now in Arkansas is to combat the Omicron variant. 5 News reporter Michael Wilson is live in Fayetteville. And Michael, one way the state's looking to do this, deploying the National Guard to help with testing.
Hey, Darren and Erica, they are deploying 50 National Guard members, and they're really trying to ramp up our state's testing efforts. And they're also looking to increase our COVID treatment options. And as we know, school is resuming. They are encouraging schools to really implement mitigation efforts.
We're entering a period of probably the greatest risk and the greatest challenge that we faced during the pandemic.
As Arkansas is rocked with another surge of COVID-19 cases, one of the biggest challenges is COVID testing options.
We have prepared for this. We've stocked up on testing. We bought a new PCR machine to be better prepared this go around for the surge.
While clinics and hospitals might be stocked up on testing, some don't have the staff to distribute the test, and pharmacies are running low on at-home tests.
Now is the time to increase that testing capacity.
The governor is hoping to do that by deploying 50 National Guard members statewide. They'll go where they're needed at the request of hospitals, and more members can be requested. And as for the 1.5 million at-home tests mentioned last week,
they're not here until they get here, and we're hoping it is soon. We're making plans for it to be soon here.
We gave no specific timeline. The same goes for COVID treatment options like monoclonal treatments as they wait on the federal government to supply the state.
We need to take care of the people in Arkansas. It is very important that that be ramped up.
And as school resumes, the state is encouraging districts implement mitigation efforts like wearing face masks.
The use of masks is essential for preventing transmission of this virus, especially in the schools.
Dr. Romero explained during Tuesday's conference how masks can reduce the spread of COVID-19 by 25%. And with Act 1002 out the window, schools can now implement mask mandates, with the exception of Bentonville, because a Benton County Circuit judge ruled that only the governor and the Arkansas Department of Health have the authority to require face masks.
That's on appeal. Hopefully that can be resolved in favor of the school district soon.
That ruling has caused a lot of worry for Bentonville parent Alicia Briggs as her child returns to school Wednesday.
I know that a lot of people are letting, like I said, their political egos get in the way of trusted science.
Now today we spoke with schools like Bentonville and Fayetteville. They say they are taking COVID safety measures like social distancing. We also reached out to Fort Smith. They say they are encouraging masks but not requiring them. And today the governor was asked if he would reinstate his public health emergency. He said no, not right now. It's just not the time. We're live in Fayetteville, covering news where you live. Mike Wilson, 5 News.
All righty, Micah, thanks. The governor also said his team is continuing to work on hospital expansions as a contingency plan. However, says it will only go into effect when hospitalizations increase to the point where there's not enough staff to treat these patients. And if you'd like to find a testing site, you can find a link that says COVID-19 testing resources. You see it there at the top of our website, 5newsonline.com. Once you click on that link, you'll be sent directly to the ADH's website for testing guidance. You can scroll down from there. You'll find a map that shows testing and screening locations all throughout Arkansas.
Stepping outside.